Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new Bluetooth earbuds that I got after I lost my old Bluetooth earbuds while I was swimming in some very cold water. And yeah, these are the new ones that I ordered. I actually wanted these the first time, but I didn't have quite enough money and I just wanted some Bluetooth earbuds real quick, so just went for some cheaper ones. So the box comes out just like this, very, very nice. Nothing else in here, so we can just put that to the side. And these are the actual earbuds, and why I really wanted these is just to really stand out. The orange is just so great, in my opinion, of course. So now we can just take this out. We got a little manual thing, nothing else in the box here. This is probably the hard case. Let's put that over there. So, yep, we got a little manual thing. This is pretty useful. Actually, not a lot of manufacturers actually tell you what all the buttons do, because, it's generally kind of the same thing what the buttons do, but sometimes it's different with certain manufacturers. So these are, wow, these look so good on camera, man. Okay, so this is the hard case that you get, which I didn't actually know you get. Let me see. Kind of tricky to open. There we go. And just like so. Here it is. So it's also supposed to be waterproof, and yeah, it's a pretty nice case actually. You get the extra tips inside, just like that, and this should be the charging cable, which unfortunately it is micro USB. I would much prefer a Type-C cable, but what you gonna do. But a very nice case, very, very solid. This is definitely not gonna get crushed in your bag. And I mean, they say it's waterproof, and you can kind of see the zipper over here. It's looking pretty nice. And well, these are the actual earbuds. So if we just take them out, just like this. What is this? Okay, let me see. There we go. There we go. They pop out just like that. And these are the actual earbuds. We have the little charging port over there. We have the buttons over here. Very clicky buttons, very nice buttons. And yeah, these are the actual earbuds, which look very nice. The orange is very, very cool indeed. And they just stick together with magnets. Oh, they don't? What? Oh, wow. I didn't know that. I'm kind of disappointed about that. I very much used my headphones just sticking like this together, but these do not. Wow, that's interesting. But that's it for these Creative Outlier Sports Bluetooth headphones. Hopefully you've enjoyed, and have a nice day.